I'm going to go over on how to load an egg dispenser. Right? It's important that you load it correctly, because if you don't, the eggs will not dispense properly. So if you just shove the eggs in like this, all different directions, as you retrieve the eggs, they won't roll back, they'll get stuck. All right? Now, if you spend the extra couple minutes beforehand and take it apart, just like this, and like this, you can load the eggs by hand, like this. And in the long run, this will save you more time, as it'll prevent eggs from getting stuck at the very end. Because as you take each egg out, they'll all advance forward. So if you don't do it this way, they'll get stuck in the back. So that's how you do it.